friends, welcome to App4 Menu. Today we are going to see a famous street style chaat recipe, masala puri. We prepare a special kind of masala and mix it with puri and make this masala puri recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a pressure cooker, add 2 cups of green peas soaked for about 8 hours. 2 potatoes, peel the skin and cut into larger pieces and add to it. Add in sufficient amount of water to boil potatoes and green peas. Salt as required, 1 spoon turmeric powder, 2 spoon oil and give it a nice mix. Pressure cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. In a pan, add 1 spoon oil, 1 cup roughly chopped onion and saute for a minute. Once the onion slightly sweat, add 7 to 8 garlic cloves and saute till its raw smell goes off. Add in 3 to 4 green chilies, half-inch ginger and give it a nice mix. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Turn off the stove and allow it to cool down. Once the pressure goes off, remove the boiled potatoes in a bowl and separate some green peas also to grind with the masala paste. Now mash the boiled green peas. Mash the boiled potatoes also to a nice smooth texture. To the mixer jar, add 1 roughly chopped tomato, handful of coriander leaves, 3 cloves, a small cinnamon stick, few black peppercorns, a small quantity of cooked green peas and grind it to a fine paste. The green peas, when ground and added to prepare this masala, then it gives a nice texture to the masala. In a pan, add 1 spoon oil, ground masala paste and some water and give it a nice mix. Let the masala paste come to a boil. Add about half spoon garam masala, 1 spoon chaat masala, half spoon chili powder and give it a nice mix. We have already added peppercorns and green chili while grinding the masala paste, so add the chili powder accordingly. Once the masala comes to a boil, add in the required water and adjust the consistency of the gravy. Cover and cook this for about 10 minutes. Now add in the mashed potatoes and give it a nice mix. Add in the boiled green peas and extra water if required and adjust the consistency of the masala. Add required salt and give it a nice mix. Cover and cook this for about 5 minutes. The prepared masala gravy should be slightly thin in consistency. Your masala for the masala puri is ready. Now let's start assembling the masala puri to serve. In a plate, crush and add about 5 to 6 puris. Pour in the prepared masala puri gravy. Add some finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomato, grated carrot, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped coriander leaves, handful of save and sprinkle some lemon juice for sourness and serve your yummy street style masala puri. You can try this recipe for some kitty parties or family get-togethers and enjoy with your friends and family. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in our comment section. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.